got it good.
That was a little loose.
Dude, it like caught. Did you see it?
Yeah.
It's not sourdough. Sourdough PB&J is not the move. All right, I don't know what day it is, but we're vlogging. Heading out. Gonna go do the mini summit. Start the morning off right. Mike hasn't seen the mini summit, so yeah. Hopefully no more rocks. But it'll be interesting. No biggie in my Polaris Pro R, but will be a biggie in the race truck. So we're gonna keep moving forward today and just try to wrap up a majority of our notes and then really start line hunting. But problem is people show up and people burn lines in places you can't imagine, especially in the big luxury pre-runners that we just can't do in the Pro R. Which, I mean, I guess we could do, but just hitting cactuses flying inside without a windshield is very scary, painful, miserable. Ben loves to do it.
I don't like that.
They like to come in the back door too, so if we hit the right ones, they'll take out Ben. Okay, let's roll. You getting those glamour shots, me in the sun, dude?
Mm-hmm. Looks really good.
I'm gonna stop doing this because I do it as a joke and then you put them in the vlog and then I look stupid. Day one of Ben, my other filmer bailed, so I called Ben and I'm like, yo, don't even know the kid, threw a friend of a friend, hey, can you come do Baja? He's like, yeah, I'll go. Comes down. And like he's nervous, you can tell he's in Mexico. He doesn't really know what's going on. Hold on.
I was low-key like really nervous because I've never been to Mexico before. And I'm getting in a car with two dudes that I don't even know.
And so he jumps in the truck in the morning like us and we're in Ensenada and we drive to Ojos. And this guy leaves his laptop sitting on the top of this toolbox right here.
Yeah.
We drive all the way to the other side of Ensenada, stop to pick up Hector, and made it.
Pretty bumpy too. I probably wouldn't have gotten hired if my laptop fell off because I wouldn't have made any content that entire trip. I wouldn't have had anything to edit on.
Right?
Yeah.
I feel like Ben would have been like, just like acting like he didn't bring his laptop. Beautiful Borrego this fine morning. Let's get it.
I remember those days when I first started grabbing money. Never checked the price, it just all came to me. But nowadays I'll be pinching every penny. 5-star dining at my local Denny's. I've been sitting on the curb in your neighborhood, looking at that street light, thinking how I could just get one response, maybe a glance. But the system has its rules about the second chance. Living by the tracks in the barrio keeps my welfare state from the dawn restored. Don't be amazed when you see me out of line.
Dude, it like caught. Did you see it? Yeah. We'll do it again. We'll fly
Ain't it funny how everybody knows but you couldn't imagine what else you could do. I'll be craving that way. Ain't it funny how everybody knows but you couldn't imagine what else you could do. Ain't it funny?
A few moments later.
I thought the tree would go down and I was wrong. I was very, very wrong.
I got a chainsaw we can put it down.
What do you say?
I got a chainsaw. Yeah. Yeah, it's karma. You know, you nerfed us and then You know, we were daydreaming, all of a sudden we're like,
he hit it a little fast.
on these there's not much to hook to. I was going around here. I'll keep pulling you. Just try not to slam into the back of me.
Okay.
You know, because you'll probably get going quick, you know?
Okay.
But I'll keep pulling until we're officially out. Maybe we want to throw this under. I don't know if it'll suck it, but Polaris does it again.
Thanks again.
Oh, no problem.
I was like, is he ever going to notice me? He's never going to notice me.
We had a mirror. I was
your tire. I'm like, I don't know if I should hit that or not.
Nah, it's fine. I just freshly welded it. It's golden. Hey, you nerf me, you get stuck.
Some dank popcorn.
Yeah. You've been raving about that stuff the past couple days.
That's pretty good. I wish we had more. Just 1.0 Mini Summit. It's pretty sketchy as always. It's not bad in the UTV, but
It's supposed to come up here.
it's definitely gonna be interesting in the truck. Got nerfed by Walser. Pulled Walser out of a hole. Looked for some lines. Yeah, it was literally 30 seconds after he nerfed us, and we were like, "God damn, what the heck?" 30 seconds later, he's in a hole. Karma. Did that and looked for some lines, and now we're here eating some almonds.
You say the back to it part again?
You missed that again?
Yeah.
It's just lately the vlogs haven't been feeling natural, man. All right, let's get back to it. Back on course. More whoops, more sand.
It's not in your lines, bro. You're reading the script wrong. Did you even practice the script last night?
Nope. P-I-S-S-E-D. Pissed. So the car's been doing like a bog. When we try to accelerate, mainly when it's low on fuel. So it's been doing it for a little. We thought we fixed it last night with the clutch because the clutch was failing, but now we're thinking maybe it might be something in the fuel delivery. So we're gonna pull it apart. There's a little like sock or fuel filter at the bottom that's hooked up to the tank or the pump, so we're gonna check that, and then if that's clogged, hopefully that's our issue, and then if not, maybe throw another fuel pump in it. Why are you backing up, Ben? You scared? How it's supposed to look? Just seeing if there's a way to pull this puppy off, but doesn't look like it. Oh yeah, baby.
Don't spill any on my seat.
Really safe. Hey, start it up, Ben. No.
Can I light it? Can I light it? Dude, I'm the one that's gonna sit on top of it after this.
I'll give you that fire extinguisher so you got quickness.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ben, have you practiced getting out? It's pretty, I mean, you'll be fine. All right, Mike, I think we're ready. Yeah. She good, hopefully.
All right.
Little stuck action, first bottleneck of the week.
Queso tacos.
Where are they from?
Our favorite place. Bryce. Bryce. Poblanita or whatever.
What was it?
Good. Good. Now it's better with some tacos.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good. All right, the day started off. Yeah, you know where we started off, but yeah. So the day was pretty good overall. Little bottleneck right there in that rock canyon, but besides that, pretty smooth. The ruts are getting deep. Whoops are getting big. Even with 35s on the Pro R, we're dragging the belly pretty often. So yeah, that's kind of a wrap on today. I'll take it.
You got tacos.
Oh yeah, and I got tacos. They got way better and they smell
awesome.